Hi friends! Today I want to show how to crochet spring crocus flower like this. Let's start! We will start from tail with green yarn. Do 6 single crochet in magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And from here we'll do 10 rows, 1 single crochet in each stitch, and we will have 6 single crochets, 10 rows. Here our 10 rows already, and now from here we'll increase in all 6 stitches, and we will have 12 single crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, third increase, 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 one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And now from here we will do 3 rounds. Single crochet in every 12 stitch. Now we will change color, milk white, chain 9 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Turn, and from the second chain of hook do 3 single crochet, 1, 2 and 3, then 2 double crochets, 1, 2, and then 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3. Slip stitch on the same chain, then do 1 single crochet, and from the next chain, next crochet, chain 9 single crochets, the same way as the first petal. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. From the second chain of hook, 3 single crochet, 2, 3, 2 double crochet, and 3 single crochet, slip stitch to the same stitch, then 1 single crochet, and from the next chain 9 single crochets. From here you can cut these yarns that we hide. Chain 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and we will do on the same way till the end of this round. Our petals are ready. We'll have 6 petals, and now we will change the color. Slip stitch. Now we'll do 1 single crochet here, then 6 double crochets, one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then 4 single crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. And to this side, the same way, 6 double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 single crochet here, then 1 single crochet to the next stitch, and we'll start to the next petal the same way. This is the last petal. Now we'll slip stitch, finish off and cut the purple yarn. It will look like this. Now we will crochet this part, center part, and sew here. Start with milk yarn. Do 6 single crochet in magic ring. One, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Wait, 6. Sorry. And now increase all 6 stitches. We'll have 12 single crochet, 2, 11. Cut this yarn and from front loops, from here, chain 6 single crochets, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and from the second chain of hook do 5 slip stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 1 single crochet, and from the next chain 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. From the second chain of hook, do 5 slip stitches, 3, 4, 5, 1 single crochet, and repeat till the end of this round. It's the last one. From the second chain of hook, 5 slip stitches, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here, slip stitch, and leave a long tail for sewing this part on the center of our flower. Now it looks like this. On the top of white parts here, we will decorate, or you can only sew with green yarn, or can sew with decorate with this, as you like. And after that all, we'll sew here like this. If you like this flower crochet pattern, please follow my YouTube channel. Thank you.